Best stocks to buy for September 2023. Growth stocks that can surge 200% and double your investment. Hey there, investors and financial enthusiasts. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you've got your seatbelts fastened because today we're about to embark on a thrilling journey into the world of stocks, specifically the best stocks to buy for September 2023. Now, I know you're all here for one reason, to discover those hidden gems that have the potential to not just grow your investments but supercharge them with a jaw-dropping surge of 200%. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about doubling your investment in the blink of an eye. With September upon us, the market is buzzing with opportunities and we're about to unveil the stocks that could make your portfolio skyrocket. So whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes into the stock market waters, this episode is packed with insights that you won't want to miss. But wait, there's more. We'll break down the key factors driving these stocks, explore their growth potential, and give you the inside scoop on why they're causing such a stir in the financial world. So grab your notepad, hit that subscribe button, and get ready to ride the wave of financial success as we unveil the best stocks to buy for September 2023. 3 millionaire maker tech stocks to hold through thick and thin. We've all heard that finding high-quality technology stocks and keeping onto them for the long term can be a sure way to increase your wealth over time. But let's face it, being a buy and hold investor in today's market is not an easy task, especially after a 15-year bull market that was followed by some dramatic market swings. Sure, we had a taste of volatility in early 2020, but it seems like a distant memory in comparison to the roller coaster ride we've been on for the past 18 months. However, keep in mind that patience is essential when investing. That's why we're here to look into the millionaire-making tech stocks that can weather the storms and yet come out on top. Now, what exactly makes a millionaire maker stock? Well, it typically involves a company with rock-solid financials and the potential for substantial growth. Tech stocks often tick those boxes, but here's the catch. Some of the giant, financially stable tech companies like Apple and Microsoft already boast trillion-dollar market caps. While they're solid long-term investments, their massive size limits their growth potential. That's where we come in. We're on the hunt for those tech gems that have room to skyrocket, and we're about to introduce you to 3 of them. But be warned, while these stocks have the potential to make you a millionaire, they can also be a bit like a roller coaster ride, thrilling but with ups and downs. First up, we've got Palantir Technologies with ticker symbol PLTR. Alright, let's start with Palantir Technologies, often just called Palantir. This company made quite an entrance in 2020 when it decided to go public through a direct listing. Investors couldn't quite agree on whether to love it or be cautious. On one side, you had folks who saw Palantir as a game changer. They believed that its expertise in big data analytics, machine learning, and artificial intelligence had the potential to turn industries upside down. After all, in a world drowning in data, a company that could make sense of it all was exciting. But on the other hand, there were skeptics. They pointed out that Palantir had been around for 20 years and had yet to turn a profit. That's a red flag for many investors. Plus, there were concerns about the CEO, Alex Karp, who had a reputation for being, well, let's say, quite direct. Also, Palantir's heavy use of stock options as a way to pay employees didn't sit well with everyone. Now, when it comes to long-term tech stocks, it's all about managing expectations. Some investors worried that Palantir relied too much on government contracts, which can be a bit unpredictable. Then as the company started working with commercial clients, the focus shifted to the profitability question. But now comes the intriguing part. Palantir just reported 2 quarters of operating profit in a row. That is a huge achievement that demonstrates the organization is on the right track. However, Palantir, like many other tech stocks, has not been immune to market volatility. The stock has dropped over 16% as of August 18, 2023, despite having risen more than 124% earlier in the year. Now, here's the thing. PLTR stock still looks attractive for long-term investors. If Palantir continues to win, such doubts about its valuation will certainly vanish over time. Keep in mind that investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Next in our list is SoFi Technologies, with ticker symbol SOFI. Like Palantir, SoFi is navigating short-term headwinds while keeping an eye on the long-term horizon. SoFi's game plan revolves around targeting folks it calls high earners not being well served by the traditional financial giants. We're talking about millennials and Gen Z consumers who are a bit fed up with the old school banks. SoFi decided to step in and offer them what they were looking for. One of SoFi's big wins was snagging a big piece of the student loan market. That was a smart move that not only helped the company but also kept its stock price steady. But the real potential here lies in refinancing existing student loans, a trend that's picking up steam as borrowers aim to manage their finances better. In 2023, SoFi stock was on fire with gains of nearly 75%, but then it hit a rough patch, falling over 14% after the release of its second quarter earnings. Some investors weren't too thrilled because SoFi wasn't turning a profit at that moment. But don't let that overshadow the bigger picture. Analysts are pretty optimistic that SoFi will be in the black by the fourth quarter of this year. That could be a game changer and put SoFi on the map as one of those long-term tech stocks that could turn you into a millionaire. Remember, for fintech companies like SoFi, profitability can take a little longer to achieve. They often prioritize growth and expanding their market share over short-term profits. If SoFi continues on this trajectory, it could be a winner in the long run. Lastly, let's talk about Sprout Social, a software company that's all about social media management. The company went public in late 2019 and it's been on a mission to help businesses and brands navigate the world of social media. In today's world, social media is a big deal when it comes to marketing and brand management. Most companies prefer to let someone else handle their social media presence, just like they've outsourced traditional marketing for years. That's where Sprout Social comes in. They offer a web-based social media management platform that helps businesses keep their social media game strong. Revenue-wise, Sprout Social has been doing just fine. It's been consistently growing its top line, which is always a good sign. The hiccup here is profitability. While revenue has been heading north, losses have been expanding too. That's usually not what you want to see. But here's a twist. Sprout Social recently acquired Tagger Media for $140 million. This move is expected to boost the company's reach in the influencer community, which is a pretty happening space right now. SPT stock has had its share of ups and downs, with more than 17% dip in 2023 and a 23% drop over the past year. But if you're in it for the long haul and can handle a bit of turbulence, this might be your chance to grab some shares. In investing, it's crucial to keep your eyes on the horizon. Sometimes, short-term setbacks can set the stage for long-term gains. Sprout Social might just surprise you in the years to come. So there you have it, 3 tech stocks that could be worth considering for the long run. Remember though, investing isn't about quick reaches, it's about patiently growing your wealth over time. And that's it. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for joining us in this video, and we hope to see you in the next one.